Here's some simple zippo lighter tricks. The first one, you hold it like this in your fingers and you kind of press, and then when you flip it out like this, you let the top fingers slip and it'll open it up. Watch, like this. Here it is again. Once more. Just gotta hold it like this and press with the top fingers, and then you kind of lift them up like this so they slip. Like that. Like so. And you can do that with really any lighter. I haven't tried it with this lighter yet, but same. I haven't tried it yet. There we go. And also there's one where you can flick it like that, and you hit the wheel. You go like this. You flick this up. And you, tired, so I can't do this very well. Flick this up. There you can see that. Yeah, whatever. Try this one. This one likes to spark better. See? Ow. Whatever. That is two different simple lighter, the Zippo lighter tricks. Can't talk. Oh well. Bye.